In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a flyer using Canva. Even if you're completely new to design, Canva makes it simple and fun to create professional quality flyers in just a few minutes. Start by opening Canva in your browser and typing flyer in the search bar. Scroll through the templates and pick one that matches the style or message you want to convey. Once you find one, click Customize this template to open it in Canva's editor. Now the fun begins. You can edit any text to share your event details, promotional message, or call to action. Change fonts, sizes, and colors to make your text clear, attractive, and engaging. Don't forget the visuals. Swap out images from Canva's library, or upload your own for a personal touch. Move and resize elements until your flyer looks balanced and visually appealing. When you're happy with your design, click Download and choose PNG and JPG or PDF depending on how you plan to share it, whether online or in print. Remember, creating a flyer isn't just about following steps. It's about telling your story and showing your creativity. Have fun, experiment with different styles, and make your flyer truly yours. Happy designing!